Hey guys, Dr. Yerby here. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to open a Pcap file to do some network forensic analysis on it. So I have a virtual machine here and I've downloaded and installed Wireshark. I have a little bit older version because I'm using a 32-bit machine. It shouldn't matter one way or the other. So I'm go ahead and open Wireshark, and I've also downloaded the files that I provided for you in the learning module, and it'll come in as a zip file. Just extract those files. You should see these are Pcap files. What you may have to do to verify that they're actually Pcap files is go to your folder options, view, and then usually by default this item is checked where it wouldn't tell you that these are Pcap files. But for me to be able to troubleshoot, make sure that I have the right type of files, I'll just go ahead and leave this like this. Now what I can do is I can go into Wireshark and go to File, Open, browse to where my files are, and then pick one of these to open. Once I do that, you'll see it's loading here at the bottom, and it tells me it only took a few seconds to load. And then I can scroll through all of the different traffic capture here. So we have lots of traffic that's been captured here, and if there's something specific I want to follow, like if I want to follow this stream, I can just right click and say follow the TCP stream, and then it'll come up and it'll give me an analysis summary of what happened in that session. And so we can see someone was contacting an Apache server, they're using Mozilla on a Macintosh, and then we can start seeing some of the files that were accessed. So here's something was running a JavaScript. Looks like they went to weather.com and they went through and registered on weather.com. Then they were returned back some results. All right, so that's what it looks like they were doing in this session. And then you'll see also it automatically built a filter up here. So it says give me everything related to TCP stream 1881. So there's tons of them in here. So another one I was playing with a moment ago was TCP stream 2. So I'm just going to replace that. Follow, because I like to see this window that gives me the results. I think this one is going to show us a Gmail session, or this looks like maybe some passwords hidden in here somewhere. Yep, so they were going to google.com. We can see here's the security certificate, and you can just kind of start going through these different TCP streams and gathering little bits of information to put together things or to do searches and find the relevant data related to your investigation. If you're wanting to do a new capture, you would need to select the card that you want to use as your interface. Alright, so we can see that this one's here, and then I'm going to tell it to start, and right now it's not capturing anything because I'm not doing anything, so I'll do a quick Google search for one of our favorite professors here, Dr. Yerby. So we can see some traffic being generated, and then if I start going to some pages, again we can see more traffic being generated here and the capture. And then everything that's being captured here, I will be able to save this since I'm monitoring this interface, and then I will be able to replay this later or search through and figure out what happened during this session. So that's all. And then now I have all that, and I can stop my recording, and then I can go through and save that file. I can say Yerby browsing history. So now if I go and I look at the files that I have, again, since this is a newer version, it says Pcapng. It'll still open the same way. The ng extra portion on there is just because this is I believe that stands for new generation of Wireshark, but we can analyze this in Wireshark or Tshark or a couple other packet sniffing and packet analyzing software. So thanks for your time. Have a great day.